guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing and it's the MINA BAIE Kinney bag. I've been eyeing this bag for a while and they are on pre-order on the MINA BAIE site, and those don't ship out until September 28th, I believe. If they're punctual with that, I'm not really sure. So I've been waiting a long time for it and I didn't want to wait that long for pre-order. And I had the hardest time finding this on like the BST. There was one and that didn't fall through. So I was starting to get pretty like emotionally drained over this, and I was about to pull the trigger and just wait for the bag off the MINA BAIE site. But before I hit place my order, I just decided to check one more time on the BST, even though I was there yesterday. And there was a mom who had one, and I'm so grateful for her. She's just the nicest, sweetest person. And it came so fast, and I'm so grateful that she was able to do this for me. Thank you so much if you're watching. I really appreciate it. I've said it so many times before, but I really do mean it. Thank you so much. So let's get into opening. So here she is. I'm so excited for the MINA BAIE bag. This is gonna be my first one, and I'm hoping that it's everything I was hoping for and more. Oh, wow. The bag feels so nice. Here she is. The color is sand, and oh my God, this feels really nice. I'm kind of freaking out. It's so pretty. I was so torn between this, the Harper, and also the June bag, but I figured this was the way to go because it has multiple carrying options, whereas the June bag can only be carried over the shoulder and crossbody. So I like the options with this. Oh my God, it feels so nice. Holy crap. Okay, I have to feel this pocket here. Oh my gosh, that does feel interesting. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I keep saying this feels really nice. I just wasn't expecting this. This feels incredible. Whoa. God, she wrapped it so nicely, you guys. Thank you so much. That's the inside of the bag. Wow. This makes me want to go buy another MINA BAIE bag. Like, this definitely exceeds my expectations, I guess. It looks so nice. It's so well made. I'm shocked right now. This is beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to try it out. If you guys wanted to see how I pack it up or my review on this, just let me know down below, or you guys can always like PM me and let me know too. I'm pretty sure I just edited out me just screaming because I really can't contain myself. This is so awesome. I'm excited for that. This is really pretty. I think I'm gonna have to make some more MINA BAIE purchases. I think. So, well, thank you guys for stopping by and watching another unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!